Hello everyone and welcome to Friday Payday Lunch. We're gonna be doing a home cooking food for you. We're gonna be doing a Middle Eastern fusion with Latino food, I guess. So it's called Shawarma Crunch Wrap. You guys never had it before, so we're gonna cook it for you guys. So come check it out. Alright, we're cooking this already. Bell pepper, onions. Okay. So we're gonna put chicken here. So we're gonna pour this here. Alright, we're gonna stir it a little bit. Okay, this is Himalayan pink salt. It's healthy for you. You're gonna put some here. You're gonna put some black pepper here. We have some cumin right here. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna add some crushed red chili pepper. Oh, come on. And we have this, I don't know what is this called, Goya, whatever is this, I think it's cilantro or coloring or something. It's like a little orangish. Right here, you put the whole thing here. Alright, we're good. Put the tomatoes. And we stir it. This is the shawarma, the chicken shawarma. This is the Middle Eastern part, and then the Latino part is gonna be the tortilla. So it's gonna be crunch wrap shawarma. A little bit, just to give it a little hint. Hint of lime. Okay. Some olive oil here on this pan. Go like this. Put olive oil here, so in one stick the tortilla is gonna go on here. More oil. One more layer. Gonna add some wrapping one more. Another one. Excuse me. Chicken shawarma. Chicken here. Ooh, it's hot. So let's get started. I'm gonna put some spinach.
Gonna put mozzarella cheese here on top of the chicken and the spinach, so it give it that flavors and it melts within the tortilla and the chicken.
Okay, you're gonna add the layer of the. So you're gonna add the layer of tortilla here to cover it up, so you can make it like a crunch wrap. Add olive oil. Another tortilla here. Olive oil is good for you guys. Marlena, we're making some shawarma shawarma crunch wrap. Ooh, gonna be deliciousness. So we gotta improvise. So you want to make sure that there's a little weight on it so it can be all crunched up together. You know, crunch it up. See, look at this. You put a weight into it. Okay, we're gonna bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 375 degrees. Process of the chicken shawarma crunch wrap. Almost done. Here we are, guys. Chicken shawarma crunch wrap. Alright, guys, we have the chicken shawarma crunch wrap. Look at this. I'll cut it so you guys can see it. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at this. Hold on a second. Awesome. Deliciousness. Chicken with bell pepper, onions, cheese. Ooh yeah. Woo! Has a little kick to it. You guys should try this out. It's easy to make. It's not that hard. Really good. Man. Iced tea. Oh. Oh yeah. It's unbelievable how you can fuse two different continent food all together. This is awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next episode of Friday Payday Lunch. God bless. Much love. Peace.